In these videos, I'll be going over problems that appliances are having, like we're talking washers, dryers, stoves, refrigerators, and dishwashers. And what I'll do is I'll find a post with a problematic appliance. I'll read the post. I'll play the video or photograph or both, and then I'll read the comments that's on that post. And then I'm welcoming all DIYers and appliance techs to chime in as to answers or questions you might have to help with that problem. So it's a big community thing. So remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Let's get started. Okay, here's the post from Alicia. Been a minute since I've needed advice here, but we have this VMX 6 light washer that doesn't agitate. It fills with water and the tub moves slightly once or twice, and then it sits on the wash and does nothing. I replaced the ship actuator twice and the capacitor once. Used parts stripped from other machines, not brand new. But still, no changes. It still doesn't do anything after it fills. What could it be? And here's the photos of the problem washer. And here are the comments. Jacob, have you ran a calibration on it since the last time you swapped a part? I believe that one is the one with the blue load size. Let's see, blue load size switch instead of the tube going to the control board. If so, I've had that dang harness that feeds between the two switches and the board give me problems, and it never showed a code during diagnostics. You can narrow it down by doing a couple service tests to see if it will do anything different while in service mode. If you get the same results, I would say that short little blue and black harness, it's been a while, so make sure you narrowed it. That harness is a little hard to test, but I have had several different issues with it and kind of a pain to test with the multimeter. I like to kick, stomp, cuss when I see the blue and black harness. Alicia's reply, so I should change the board? I ran a recalibration after each part swap, and usually it agitates for a second. Then, like low spin and high spin, and just before the lid locks, it should spray a little water. But it didn't do all that during recalibration. The tub spun slow for a few spins twice, and then did nothing for a minute or two while the lights blinked in order, and then it unlocked without spraying water. I knew it wasn't recalibrating like it's supposed to. I will try to change the board when I get home this evening and check the wire harness for a pressure switch. Jacob, it might be blue and blue. I'm pretty sure it's the Kenmore that has had that issue. Manual, did you calibrate it after swapping parts? Lorenzo, change the shifter or see if something is stopping it from going to wash or spin. Chris, what are your error codes? Rashad, board. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. For you DIYers and appliance techs, chime in if you have an answer to these questions or any questions about this problem. Have a good one.